Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Udacity, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Udacity, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.udacity.com and press enter. Once the Udacity homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for entering your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid any login errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Udacity account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available courses. If you encounter any issues during login, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also want to try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. Once logged in, you can start exploring Udacity's wide range of programs and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.